how to buy a wallet token, the AMBIRE wallet. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's just by going to CoinMarketCap. So after you find the token there, just go here. And as you can see, you can copy the address wallet, the address token under the Ethereum network, or you can copy the address token under the base network. So after you select the network that you want, just click on the copy the token address. Now go and use the wallet that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the Bitkit wallet. So as you can see over here, now just I will log in. Now as you can see, so to be able to buy this token in Bitkit, just go here and change the network to base, as you can see. After that, click on this plus icon and now paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. As you can see, it's not listed. Just copy and plus. Now after that, after you tap on plus, just go back and you will be able to find it here. So as you can see, this is our wallet, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this on Bitkit wallet, just click on swap. Now after that, click on switch here to be able to buy it. Now from here, just type or search for the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use USDT. Now after that, make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitkit wallet or fill USDT in your Bitkit wallet to be able to buy the wallet token. Now after that, here, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the wallet token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.